Hello people, in this video we will be installing Python and Visual Studio Code. First we have to go to Python's official website and then we have to click on downloads. And the site will automatically determine your operating system and will download the best possible version for your operating system. So now until it gets downloaded, let's search for Visual Studio Code. Okay, it's downloaded. Let's install it. Remember that we need to select add Python to path. So just click on install. The setup will start. And let's wait for a few minutes. Now until it's downloading, let's minimize it and click on Visual Studio Code site, and it will also detect the best version for your operating system. Then click on download. It will download Visual Studio and you will be redirected to this page. Alright, now Python is installed, and now let's install Visual Studio Code. Let's close this and click on Visual Studio Code setup and click on I accept the agreement. Next, add to path. Okay, let it selected and install. Now Visual Studio will install on your system. Visual Studio Code, exactly. Alright, now Visual Studio Code is also installed. Let's run it. We will create a new Python file just to display hello world. So we're simply gonna write just print hello world, and let's try to run it to see if it's working or not. Let's say hello.py. And now let's print hello world. And now we will run the active file in terminal.